Hello student, welcome to Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself, Kratika Bhatia, Class 4, subject name is Social Study, unit number is 5 and the chapter name is Our Government. First we learn about our Prime Minister and Ministers. So write their names in the following. So who is the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So dear student, you know about the present our Prime Minister name? So the name is Narendra Damodar Das Modi. And the President of India, the name is Ram Nath Kovind. So who is the Education Minister of Gujarat? The name is Bhupendra Singh Chudasama. And the CM of the Gujarat, the Vijay Rupani sir. Okay, so I hope you know about the name. And the Vice President of India, it's M. Venkaiah Naidu. Okay, so here we learn about the some president and the PM of our country and our India. Okay, so let's start our chapter, our government. In India, we have two level of governments. Which one is? The government at the central is called central government, and the government at the state level is called state government. Okay, so how government are formed? The government are formed at the central and the state level throughout the election in India. How many period? After every 5 years. So there are general election of the elected at a central government and the assembly election elected by the state government. So the government has the three main organ, the three main parts. So first one is legislative that makes law, executives that bring law into action, and the judiciary that decided and settle our disputes. So first one is central government. So what is the central government? So the governing body of the whole country is the union of central government. Okay, so the union government makes law and sees to it that this and the laws are put into the action and the follow the properly. So who work it? The central government work that the country of the union and the central government. Okay, and the union of the government makes law and the sees and the laws are put into the action and the follow properly. So dear student, you know about our country, the India is a democratic country. Okay, so the legislative and the parliament is the law making body in India. Legislative means the parliament is the law making body in India. It has two houses. Which one is? The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Parliament, you know about the parliament? Here the picture of parliament. Okay, so the Lok Sabha is also called the house of the people because its members are elected direct by the people. And the Indian citizen who is the 18 year of age or above has the right to vote of our candidate of his or her choice. The member of the Lok Sabha are elected of 5 years. How many years? 5 years. Who vote for candidate? 18 year age or above, he right to vote our candidate and his or her choice. Okay, so can contain the election to the lower house or the Lok Sabha. So the Lok Sabha's another name is house of the people, and the member of the Rajya Sabha are the upper house. What is the upper house? And not directly elected by the people. Why? Because member of the state legislative assembly and the union of territories elected them. So the president also nominate some members, and the vice president of India is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The vice president. So who is the vice president over India? Now present the Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Okay, remember that. So next one is the central executive, जो हमारे केंद्र का वहीवट देखता है. Okay, so the central executive comprise the president. Who? President. So who is the president? Ram Nath Kovind. And the prime minister and the council of minister So the president is the head of the country, and this elected member of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and the said legislative assemblies elected the president. So he/she is elected by for the period of 5 years. Okay. MCQs. The blank makes law. Who makes laws? Legislative. Okay. And the blank is called the House of the People. The name is Lok Sabha. Next one is the Prime Minister. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Prime Minister is the leader of our country and the majority party that wins general election. Okay. So elected its leader, who is appointed as the Prime Minister by the President of India. Who appoint the Prime Minister? The President of India. So who is the President? Ramnath Kovind. Remember that. Don't forget. She also become the leader of the political party in power. So the elected person become the member of Lok Sabha and are called the member of parliament, called MPs. Okay. And the Prime Minister, then the forms of cabinet is called, and the Council of Minister. The minister are either from the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Okay. So the Prime Minister works with his and her team, the Council of Minister, and they introduce the new laws. And these laws come into force after being passed by the Parliament and the President. Next one is Judiciary. Judiciary is the important wings of India. Any dispute related to law which is not agreed by all is settled in a court. Which court? Is the Supreme Court. Is the highest court in India. It is in New Delhi. So the Chief Justice of India had the Supreme Court. State government, the governor is the head of the state and the appointed by the President of India. Every state has a legislative assembly called Vidhan Sabha. So some states also have a state legislative council and it makes law for the state, and the member of the legislative assembly called MLAs. Okay. So elected from the terms of 5 years, and the assembly election take place into the state to from the state government. So political parties give names of their candidate. So dear student, the party that gets maximum seat in the legislative assembly form the government, and now the leader of the majority party become the chief minister. Okay. So who is the head of the state government? Chief minister. Next one is state legislative. That means the law making body in the state is the legislative assembly. It's called Vidhan Sabha. This body works like the Lok Sabha at the center. And the state executives, the governor is the direct representatives of the president in a state, and the chief minister of a state work like a prime minister, and the center, she also the council of minister. And the state judiciary, almost all the state of India have a high court, and the high court is the highest court in the state. It consists of one chief justice and other judge who are appointed by the President of India. Okay. So first one we learn about the judiciary, state government जो हमारे स्टेट के लिए काम करती है, लेजिस्लेटिव्स जो हमारे स्टेट के वैधानिक तौर तरीक़ों को सिखाती है, लॉज को सिखाती है. ओके. सेकेंड इज द स्टेट एग्जीक्यूटिव जो हमारे स्टेट के मतलब हमारे स्टेट के अंदर जितने भी आते हैं उनके कार्यपालक कहलाता है ना, मतलब जो कार्य करना है उनको सिखाती है, जैसे ब्रिंग्स लॉज एंड इनटू एक्शन, उनको किस तरह से एक्शन में लेना है. एंड द स्टेट जुडिशरी वो हमारे काय को अदालत जितनी बने हमारे न्याय तंत्र को बनाती है. सो द डिसाइडेड द सेटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. ओके. सो हियर वी फिनिश. हियर द न्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ द चैप्टर. डिस्पैच मीन्स disagreements between the people, groups or countries. Candidate, a person who the considered suitable for something. Contest, to make part of election and composition. Nominates, formally suggests that somebody should be chosen for an important role. And the cabinet means a group of chosen member of government responsible for advisor and the deciding on the government policy. Here the point to be remembered. The government at the central is called central government, and the government at the state level is called state government. Okay, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स के जितने भी ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, लॉज होते हैं, वो कौन चूज करता है? चीफ मिनिस्टर. सो इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर सर विजय रूपानी सर. You forget that? So the principal parliament of the law making body in India, it has two houses. Which one is? First one is Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Third one is the central executive composer, the president, prime minister and the council minister. Okay, the prime minister is the head of our country and the prime minister is the leader of our country. So he is the head of the country, president, and the leader of our country, the prime minister, and the head of the country, president. The Supreme Court is the highest court in India and its head the Chief Justice of India. And last one is the governor is the head of the state and is appointed the president of India. So name the two level of government. Which one is? State government and central government. Okay, so who is the president of country? The name is president. Okay, I hope you like the chapter and you understand about our government. Okay, here the finish our chapter 5 our government. We meet you again. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.